नमस्कार. झोका घे भरारी या महाराष्ट्रातील पहिल्या ऍप मध्ये मी संयोगिता तुमचे मनापासून स्वागत करते. Today we are going to study the another method of solving the linear equations with the two variable. That method name is graphical method. What is there in this method? आता या मेथड मध्ये काय आहे? You have did this kind of examples in a previous standard 2. आपण 9th standard मध्ये आपण असताना ह्याच्यावरती अभ्यास केलेलाच आहे. What is the graphical method? That an equation is given to you. You have to plot a graph regarding with this equation. दिलेल्या इक्वेशनचा आपल्याला ग्राफ प्लॉट आउट करायचा आहे. That is a graphical method. Now what is the linear equation? See, what is the graphical method? That in this equation they will give you an equation and you have to choose the value of one variable so that you will get the value for the second variable. And putting that two values, you will receive an equations. You will receive 2 points related with each. तुम्हाला त्याचे रिलेटेड पॉइंट्स मिळतील आणि ते पॉइंट्स आपण ग्राफ वरती प्लॉट केले की आपल्याला त्या इक्वेशनची लाईन मिळेल. So let us start to draw the graph. For the equation, we are going to take the equation as 2x minus y which equals to 2. For our convenience, आपल्या कन्व्हिनियन्स साठी आणि आपल्याला सोडवणं सोपं व्हावं म्हणून what I am going to do? I am going to write this equation in the form of y is equals to another one term. So to do this, we'll shift these terms on the right side. So here minus y is equals to 2 and this will shift on that side. It will become minus 2x. Now here both side negative term we can see y is minus and we don't like minus terms. आपल्याला मायनस टर्म बघितलं की घाबरायला होतं किंवा गोंधळायला होतं. मग आपल्याला मायनस नको आहे. हाऊ वी कॅन निग्लेक्ट दिस मायनस? बाय मल्टिप्लाइंग दिस इक्वेशन विथ द मायनस 1. सो लेट अस मल्टिप्लाय दिस इक्वेशन विथ minus 1. What you will get? See, this equation will turn as minus y to y which equals to, now this minus 2x will turn as 2x and this plus 2 it will turn as minus 2. Now equation is quite easier. It is looking quite easier to us. Now what we are going to do? आता आपण काय करणार आहे? Here in this expression we are going to put the different values of x. आपण ह्या इक्वेशन मध्ये x च्या different values घालणार आहे. Because after that what you are going to receive? We are going to receive different values for y. आपल्याला ह्या इक्वेशन मध्ये x च्या वेगळ्या व्हॅल्यू घातल्यानंतर y च्या वेगळ्या व्हॅल्यूज मिळतील. त्या दोन व्हॅल्यूजचा यूज करून आपण ग्राफ प्लॉट करणार आहे. एखादा ग्राफ प्लॉट करण्यासाठी आपल्याला किती पॉइंट्स रिक्वायर आहेत बरं? Whenever we have to plot a graph, 2 points are enough because with the help of 2 points we can draw a line. But if we use more than 3 points, then your line is exact and accurate. So here we are going to choose 4 values for this equation to get a proper graph for this equation. Here I have mentioned one table on this side. What is this? Y is equals to 2x minus 2. Here in this equation we are going to put the different values of x. आपल्याला ह्या इक्वेशन मध्ये x च्या वेगळ्या व्हॅल्यूज घ्यायचे. अगदी तुम्हाला हव्या त्या व्हॅल्यू तुम्ही घेऊ शकता. ही ते आपण x ची व्हॅल्यू घेणार आहे. त्याच्यावरतून काय मिळेल? इक्वेशन जसं सोडवत जाऊ तसं आपल्याला y ची व्हॅल्यू मिळेल. ती y ची व्हॅल्यू आणि x ची व्हॅल्यू. इथे आपल्याला एक कॉलम मध्ये शेवटचा कॉलम दिसतोय बघा, x and y. Here you are going to write the both terms together and by using these points we are going to draw a graph. Let us start to do this. See here, for this preparation, for this equation, we are going to put that x is equals to simplest one, that is 0. आपण सगळ्यात पहिल्यांदा कुठून सुरुवात करणार आहे? 0 पासून. कारण 0 घातला की कॅल्क्युलेशन खूप सोपी आणि छोटीशी होतात. So here we are going to put x is equals to 0. आता आपण x ची व्हॅल्यू किती घालणार आहे ह्या इक्वेशन मध्ये? That is 0. Let's put it. y is equals to 2 multiplied by 0 minus 2. 2 zeros are 0. So y is equals to 0 minus 2. What is the answer? Correct. Y is equals to minus 2. Here we will write in this table that we have chosen the value of x is 0 and y you will receive as minus 2. Here we'll put in the column that first coordinate is of x which is 0 and second coordinate is of y which is minus 2. Understood? Now we are going to choose the another value for this equation. What we are going to take the next value? That x is equals to, we'll put 1. It is as simple as like a 0. So here we are going to put that instead of this x is equals to, we are going to put as 1. Here y is equals to 2x minus 2. Y is equals to 2 into 1 minus 2. 2 into 1, that is 2. Minus 2. 2 minus 2, 0. So y is equals to 0. So simple points we have receiving. See, y when x is equals to 1, y is equals to 0. Let us write this. X is equals to 1, y is equals to 0. 1 and 0. Now we are going to choose the another one value that it is negative. आता आपल्याला सोप्या एक्झाम्पल तर आपण घेतलेच, पण आता आपण एखादी निगेटिव्ह व्हॅल्यू पण चूज करून बघू. सो हियर इन दिस इक्वेशन नाव वी आर गोइंग टू टेक दॅट x is equals to -1. Now we are going to choose the value for x is correct, that is -1. So here we will write that x is equals to -1. Let us put that value in this equation. Y is equals to 2x minus 2. In of that we are going to write x is equals to -1. So y is equals to 2 multiplied by -1 minus 2. 2 into -1, what is the answer? Correct, it is -2. 2 into 1, that is 2, and sign of negative term, it is come because of the -1 and -2. Minus, correct, minus, there is addition of the numbers and sign of negative. So here you will get y is equals to -4. We'll write in this table now. Here x is equals to -1 and y is equals to -4. So what you will coordinate, you will get -1 and -4. These 3 points are enough to draw a line. ह्या 3 पॉइंटच्या वरून सुद्धा आपण ग्राफ ड्रॉ करू शकतो. पण आपल्याला अजून ॲक्युरेट मिळायला पाहिजे म्हणून आपण आज 4 व्हॅल्यू चूज करणार आहे. सो हियर वी आर गोइंग टू टेक द अनदर वन व्हॅल्यू दॅट इज 2. हियर वी आर गोइंग टू पुट ॲट x इज इक्वल्स टू 2. आपण काय घालणार आहे आता? x ची व्हॅल्यू 2. सो y is equals to 2x minus 2. Here in the place of x we are going to put 2. So y is equals to 2 into 2 minus 2. Y is equals to 2 to the 4 minus 2. So y is 2. What you will get? See, when x is equals to 2, y is equals to 2. Let us put this value. X is equals to 2, y is equals to 2. And the coordinates you will get as 2, 2. Now what you have to do? आता आपल्याला टेबल तरी मिळालेला आहे. Now by help of this table we are going to plot the graph on graph paper. Let us draw the graph of a line 2x minus 1, y is equals to 2. To draw the graph we need 2 lines, horizontal and vertical line. As you can see this on the screen. The horizontal line, it is known as x-axis and the vertical line is called as y-axis. As we draw these lines, what we have to do the first, that is we should do the scale of the graph. What is the scale of the graph? That on x-axis and y-axis 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. That will be the scale for the given graph. Now let us start to draw the graph for the given measures. What is our measurements? That 2x minus y is equals to 2. That are the coordinates we have received that we are going to plot on the graph. See the first point. What is the first point? That is 0 and -2. The point on the x-axis which is 0. You can see this on the screen. Okay. Now see the -2 on the y-axis. It should be downward side. Now just that circle that point, that is your point A, which indicates the coordinates 0 and -2. Now let us see the second point. That is on x-axis 1 and on y-axis it is 0. So this point you can highlight on the x-axis. We'll give the name as B. 1, 0. Now we'll see the third point. What is the third point? That is -1 and a 4. -1 on our x-axis and -4 on y-axis. We'll give it a name as C. Now we'll see the last point, that is 2, 2. On x-axis it is 2 plus 2 and on y-axis it is plus 2. So it is there upside D. We'll give it as name as D 2, 2. Now we have received 4 points A, B, C and D. The points for this, it is 0, minus 2, 1, 0, minus 1, 4 and 2, 2. Now we are going to draw a line passing through these 4 points. That is your line of this equation, that is 2x minus y, which equals to 0. Just draw the arrow and write down the name of the line, that is 2x minus y on it. You have got the graph.